It is okay to escape the reality with the help of books, but are we meant to escape the reality? I don't think so. Also, what people consider as reality is very different to what reality actually means. Welcome to Life Simplified. This is Jyotishri, and today I'm going to talk about a book that takes you through reality and explains to you what reality actually means. I am talking about What Are You Doing With Your Life by J. Krishnamurti. I read this book and it changed a lot inside me. So I'm here to talk about this book. It's very difficult for me to put my thoughts about this book in words and explain this book to you, but I'll try my best because I really want to convince you to read this book. This book is divided into 4 parts. The first part is yourself and your life. The second one is self-knowledge, the key to freedom. Third one is education, work and money, and the fourth one is relationships. And all these chapters talk about different aspects of life without being preachy. If you ask me to suggest one thing from this book, I would say observe yourself. Observe your emotions, your reactions, your anger, your depression without any judgment. It may sound very difficult, but trust me, once you start doing it and once you start practicing it, it will become easy. And there will be one day when you will actually be able to observe your reactions or your emotions without any judgment. Now you may think what good this would do to you, but let me tell you, this will make you feel calm. Suppose one day you get very angry about something, but you take a step back and observe your anger or observe the way you reacted out of that anger. If you start doing this, the reaction will slowly dissolve, and the next time you get angry, maybe you will not react the same way. And if you keep practicing this, maybe one day you'll not even feel angry on petty things. That's how powerful this book is, and that's the change it can bring in you, like it is bringing in me. So all you need to do is observe yourself without any judgment. But before you go ahead and do all that, please consider reading this book first. This is not a preachy book that forces itself on you. You have some basic questions about life and this book has the answers. Now what you are going to do with the answers is totally up to you. This book will not force itself on you. It's written in a very free way. There is no pressure or no force applied, just the way J. Krishnamurti speaks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, search on Google or YouTube with J. Krishnamurti and listen to some lectures given by this famous world speaker and you will understand what I'm talking about. This book focuses on different aspects of life: joy, sorrow, education system, self-pity, failure, success, family, society, etc. We all have a lot of questions in our life and we all need help with something. For example, I have this problem of getting angry on people and reacting in a very bad way. And obviously I want to change that because due to that habit of mine, I am getting hurt or people around me are getting hurt. So obviously I want to change that and I need help with that. But I don't know the cause of that anger. I don't understand how to stop or how to take care of this issue. So other than going to a psychiatrist or not doing anything about it at all, if I read a book like this, which can answer my questions and tell me how I can solve the problem, then I think there's nothing that can be better than that. So if you ask me, everyone should read this book and this book is going to help each and everyone. That's all I wanted to say about this book. If this review intrigued you even a bit, please consider buying this book and read few chapters from this book every day after waking up in the morning. Trust me, something will change inside you. I have attached a link of this book in the description box. If you want to buy it, you can buy it from that link. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, like this video and also share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.